part of this important program.
The theme for this session, Inspiring Minds, Igniting Change, reflects the responsibility entrusted to us as students and future leaders. It encourages us to develop thoughtful perspectives and to work with commitment towards meaningful and positive change.
To begin this inaugural session, let us humbly seek God's guidance and blessing upon this gathering. We now invite Mr. S. Ninka, Pastor KBC, to lead us for the invocation.
In a Bible verse, you come to Bible verse, related to very Chedaju to Sevena, to the Pisana. Matika Shotro, like Charagan Chevan Gaza. Zigan Nori Sakuaka Jipe, Timaki Papu. Zota Joji, Zayot Maria Benga, Pin or Tsinabe. Amawa, what was that? Here a good cigarette, Kosana. Atala comes a baba, Kaji Sakbe. Hero by Sakjexua. No second of the Nabida Chicken to Sabe. Jona to talk to him, hey, no Nigeria with the Sahama, Pitachina. No, sir. A box is uni. Jikat Nigawa. Here in the move the Jina. Luja the Jina, take Rugumchi. No, sir. Jehala. Third Juna Pebatu. Gadu Papa. Relate Papa Bana. Such you could do a salary. Here go to Hammer in Jeval in Sagana. Here are Michel Zaragesa. Jesus is not here to Sawan with the Jana. Above all, take our trust Mary Covetu. Amen.
Pastor for the prayer and for seeking God's blessings for this session.
We now invite Mr. Jacqueline Bakan to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning, everyone. Respected outcomers, our special guest, Sir Jimson Duque, lecturer, Government Polytechnic student, and his colleagues, friends, President BSU and his colleagues, President Arbo, President ABCF, all the VCCs, VDBs, Village Council Secretaries, GBs, stakeholders, invitees, my name is Jacqueline Ba, and on behalf of the Apoksa Students Union, it is my sincere pleasure to welcome you all on this 50th General Session on Inspiring Minds, Igniting Change. On this auspicious day, we have a diverse audience today with participants, expertise, delegates joining us from across Apoksa and even beyond. I would like to extend a special welcome to our special guest, whose groundbreaking work in lecture, Government Polytechnic student, has been an inspiration to many. Your enthusiasm is contagious and will help to set a positive atmosphere for this session. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to be here. Your participation and engagement are invaluable to our collective success. May the 50th General Session inspire the minds of Apoksa and ignite the change. Thank you one and all. Vox Populi, Vox Vinci.
Thank you, Mr. President, for a warm welcome note.
Encouraging and recognizing academic excellence continue to be a key focus of the Union. We shall now proceed with the presentation of the ASU Meritorious Award.
Jungjang nyama dito, amiwa ayawa na ma chungcha shang mak tao jing yang ba, cha to ASU office 别讲的，伢娃伢娃的投资， a new Akiba village Honza, cleanest village. Rang a Sonshi Kongo, a Rang Yewune, Vat a Sonshi Kong Yang Vaye. Tajune Na Retatana, Na village council chairman, but Zagata, Na cleanest village award with Zazatsu Metao.
I give all thanks and glory to our Almighty God for enabling us such a wonderful gathering this morning at Kukiko Village Council Hall, despite of our shortcomings and weaknesses. I am immensely overwhelmed and exhilarated to be a part of this 50th General Conference of the Apoksa Students Union. As we congregate here under the able president, none other than my good friend, Ino Zahanbar. I take this time to comment and applaud the efforts of the ASU team and of his peers who have come up with a wonderful program enabling us to gather in this wonderful manner. Thank you, campers, for the time. I give my respect to our special case, Shiri Chimusenute, the lecturer, Government Polytechnic System Twinsong Nagaland and his entire entourage, the president of the Apoksa Students Union and his entire executives, the village chiefs, the 3 village council, pastors, church leaders, women leaders, and all the leaders from various organizations. My dear student friends, dignitaries on and off the ties, once again a very good morning to each and every one of you. I bring warm greetings from the office of the Pojuri Students Union. This morning, as I stand here as the president of the Pojuri Students Union, I want to greet all of you with the truest sense of love and gratitude. From the office of the Pojuri Students Union, for the reason that the Apoksa Students Union has immensely contributed to the office of the Pojuri Students Union since the formation of PSU in the year 1958. And today, it is all because of your love, your support, and your support. The PSU has stood the test of time, and we are here together, fighting for the rights and aspiration of our students and of our people. With permission from our compeers, I would also like to dwell certain of my presentation in Nagamis for the convenience of some of our parents who are here this morning. It is not only about the greetings of the PSU that I'm here today, but as I've mentioned earlier, I'm here to reinstate the relationship of the Pojuri Students Union with our community and with our beloved students. We have been, we are, and we will always be together, and then we will continue to strive, strengthen, and work for the betterment and upliftment of our community. My dear students, friends, taking this opportunity, I would also like to dwell that I would also further like to encourage each and every one of us once again that wherever we may be, we must never forget our own roots, and that when you come back home, continue to bring the good name to the village and to the community, and continue to bring laurels and good names to the community as well. I will also further like to encourage each one of us to see the good soul, to sow a good seed during our youth life, which is our private life. And later on, in the new welcoming days, that is during our old age time, we wish and we hope to have a good harvest that we have sowed during our youth life and during our students' life as well. On this note, I would like to encourage our students, friends, that times have changed, and it is time for all of us to rise above our comfort zone, sacrifice beyond our imagination, so that we will be able to achieve our dreams and goals. We must keep in mind that no matter how big or small our dreams may be, we must always keep in mind that We must continue to live our life with honesty and dignity. And in that way, we will be able to live our life in a prosperous life. Bishi Kushi Braina Thagiyase, Yade Ajimoni Kukio Village Day, attending the 50th General Conference. This is my second visit, attending the conference and then the sports meets of the Apoksa Students Union. Just the 3rd January day Aisha, Arabi Aigina, Abni Gambra, PSU Kangi Morom Grihina, Amigala team Kangi Morom Grihina, opportunity did Haya, Shigamatuina Batiase, Aigina Tagara, parents can get Ekta Kota Libi, Nakoigina, the Jobolity woman, Naidora, Aminaka Misti Shift Grihina Yazin, Abnigalaga, Morom Aminan students community did Haya, Amigalaga Kushi of Nanga Diase, Isora Morom Grubule Divi. ना परी ना धजिले भी अपनी गान खाबोले लगा अपनी गान लोबोले लगा अपनी गान पिंडी बोले लगा होले भी अपनी गान सब sacrifice करी है ना अमर गान students का निमित्ते सब sacrifice करी है ना अपनी गान राय दुख सुख भी झरी है ना अमी गान ये खालो भी दिया से इतनी ना वो जिन education दी था क्या बा अपनी गान ये भी डॉलर ठुना बात दिया से आई के ना इधर तो ऐसे बोले तो दुनिया तो change हुई जाए था क्या बा अपनी गान अम्मा बाबा गान होले भी American students can give Hilibi liberal term to Nahobo, Hilibe, American students can give Hilibe, American Nijo potential, Kikushipai, that they Abnihabi support Puri at Hagibi, American Puila to Asability engineers, doctors, that the American Bishi focus Puri and I government service day, Molok Tenda like ever Shiva Grassy, please excuse me. In the Aman Tagara Ajigali Laga Zamana Dolop, Allah Pujabra. American students can either kitab pura sob manu the doctor be guru na parbo government job holder be sob manu the bhubo na parbo holi be taihan laga taihan nijo kitab pura na ahedam de taihan ki laga talent thagi ase tade apuni hamra bi moto ti hena taihan ki bi taihan laga dreams to pursue guru bole dile de bishi bhalo ho and then many a times bishi time bishi por american observe kurina ai thagi ado students aro parents laga relationship kitiba namili milibo na pare ini abi thaki jai students kan tahan munduk time de ama bhawa ke kobole na pare jai dege tahan tiktar pai dam de itui na bai na ama bhawa kan tahan tu pai laga thaki lebe paja ngi shio bi grupo na pare na iniga thaki ke na ekjun laga duk supi na jani na bi ahi thake itora whatsoever it may be kiki hoina thaki lebe as a family Ama ro pachalaga relationship to bhawra build kuri thaibi apni gan aji gal education diya na hoi kina beyond that apni gan morom kuri ase thanks are we continue apni gan laga relation to bhawra build kuri na bacha han dibi apni gan laga pleasing bi dibi ami gan dibi apni gan laga pleasing bi di thagi bugune janai diya ase once again I say bishi khushi ba thagi ase apni gan ama bobo gan continue asu gi bi libi sai thagi bi and then I Amalaga PSU family development, अपनी हम राज्य तक support करी थे कि निश्चित continue इन्हीं का support करी जब भी इन्हें तो appeal करी ऐसे and then once again I would further like to remind once again all of us that once we step out of our own village, no matter where we may be in towns, cities, and in other countries or whatsoever it may be. The moment we step out of our village, we must always keep in mind that when we come back home and visit our family, our community, we should create that kind of an environment where our community, our leaders, our own people must take pride in whatsoever we become. Jai kina mehan kuti birai thakile be busti khurai kina ahidam de to American ki bhalgam guri kina busti de ani ase itu loi kina American laga community khambe putani bole putani bhau deba thaki bole laga environment create kuru bole dibi. Once again I really want to thank the ASO officials for giving us the opportunity to be a part of this 50th General Conference. Before I take my seat, I would further want to commend and applaud the efforts of the ASU, and once again I convey my best wishes for the successful program of this 50th General Session of the Apoksa Students Union. Thank you once again for your patient hearing. Long live Apoksa Students Union. Long live Pujuri Students Union, Kuknali.
Thank you, Mr. Wong Lalero, President Pujuri Students Union, for your warm and encouraging message.
Dignitaries on the dais and all the chairmen, all the presidents, village elders, GPs, and parents, and all my beloved students. A very good morning to each and every one of you. Or as we say, I think in Poksha it's Atsingatabe. So manuge Atsingatabe diaze. Ide aji moide kodawado bishibak kuchuri kodabi kowli munjae because we know that mal on dialectic we should do tamon ni chue will be agide gudi jado manu bishi kuchuri kodabi bazin na jene ni gaze to momula message to sok manuge punchao munjae. And since we have parents, elders, kumakan balze English bi na jene ho kumba nakamishi balze na jene ho to moi aji kota goado sok language ki jane sok go bare de itu karne moron bra balse ki huno bare kuni dibi aro kiba kibi galti thagili bi moi labi special case is na aji first time aze. And I want to thank Apoksa Student Union for giving me this opportunity. Moi su na break de moi lagapon introduction. I want to introduce myself. Kumakan mo ge jani daigo oli bishi manu mo ge na jani go. Oli mo laga first schooling. My schooling it started from Saint Xavier Mallory. Class 5 tak tade Saint Xavier purise. Itu bishi de class 6 pa loina class 2 pa science ko pungla. Babi daigo bahar de science ko pungla do ekam town city de je. Oli bi ekta jungle de jana purina je parent jungle de dekise. Itu it's a army military boarding school ase, military school ase. Itu karne moila khota gwabi bishi rafo bare bishi to gange kumba kan to bishi soft lage uli mokan dade boado moila thick growing stage te tade pra learn gurise to tade learn boado bishi raf ase mokan do itu karne bishi de khota gwaazan dibi alo raf hoijeli do moron pra buji dibi aro itu sainik te class 12 tak puri gena engineering 4 years puruli jise itu kuria bishi de exam karne prepare kuradam de one covid. So manu jane se COVID aina 1-2 years is na. So man whole world was stopped for around 1 to 2 years is now. Exam dishe inika gurina ulane first attempt to ulane inika gurina second attempt de hi junior engineer JEE paise. Uribi itu kuria dam de moi laga masters bi jayena IIT Guwahati de kurise for 2 years. तो itu kuria damde aina JEE kurigina around 1.5 years na kam kura damde aro exam NPC digina ita lecture kurese itu lecture post mo ita call kurese aji mo lode adu mola moi sati tinjong ge anise first mola sati awise taibi forest department de kam kurese GIS de next wala engineer chilo to type pekte electrical department de JEE breze aro moi laga next adi engineer rangam sinui tai SDO PH la SDO ze ida directorate tai boaze tangi be things de ze mulo de arole aji moi ide moge matiado first to guest speaker privi nya bise. तो guest speaker को आदो मुकान तो as a lecturer इन्हीं भी lecture लाइक सकते हैं तो lecture दिया बना से किसी lecture दिए मानो kan आलसी भी लगे हो परे कुनी ना मुझे students का भी आलसी लगे थे sometimes तो किले लो मुझे extra class का भी किले लो ना lecturers ना तो इधर करने special guest speaker को आदम दे अच्छा कुन लगी से यहाँ वादो अच्छा ना promotion पाई जुला यहाँ वाला special guest इसे तो bishi down post nisna je moi karne to do thank you so much again Apoksa Student Union ni opportunity dia karne mugan aji de gather brother I think one ekta so manu ide ahado ekta mission karne aise let us all affirm ekta mission ido affirm grow la aise udo mission ki ase Kulido tongla theme de likhan jisna inspiring minds igniting change. Itu gwan jisna aji mugan ide ikilo de gather brado to inspire young minds. Itu karne aisi jisna lage. Aro with that change anule. Itu change tu mugan individual ekla kwan hoy. Kulibi families de society de at large na so manu miligena change ayole. Itu laga jisapte mugan aji aise. I believe that is what we are here for. Ini misa-misi program attend guru le nya karen hoy. Hoilibi itu theme laga hisapte mugan aji attend guru je nya bisas je. Itu la oporde moi first point. Itu students ange baze gole mun jay. Bishi point aje gole paratak moi juli koi gina khatam gole try guru because even me I was in your seat. Moi be ek guru student lagi je. Mang bishi bhashan bishi lecture dia sa rilo alchi bi lagi je. Bujai bi na buji je na. तो paratak module related growth so please listen kimang parwo mo lagai the first point do student ki gom jado you are the future and you are created with a purpose ide you are the future matlab to 5 years bisde to shadi ho bisde to kam pa bisde itu no hoy what this future itu gom jado this future is not something that is far ahead na itu to ityas right now you are building it up to itaki present. How are you spending your time? To lagai that time every second, every hour, every choice. To ki choice bana je. To ita puro manjasna, itu puro manjasna, galdi kam puro manjasna, thik kam puro manjase. Those are your futures. Ite to ki choose puro, utu hi to la future je. Itu baze jano lage. It is shaping you. To ki choose puro, to ki kam puro je. It will shape you as a person who you want to become. Itu baze jano lage. Aro mogan babe ki itu dunia de they need a perfect student na boleh mula hisab itu the world does not need a perfect student what they actually need is they need a responsible and disciplined and well value thaka manu. I think that is what the society needs, that is what the world needs right now. Itu laga porde mo ko jado so student de kiman ase everybody is created unique. So manu ke alag banai dise bisi tu ide ado accident pra noe tu ide ado ekta purpose ase ekta calling ase isoba tu ide pata do ini mission sipat na pato mulai sakti do dunia ase itu dunia de mokan achikali academic pressure hobi aro mokan ide competition hobi bisi high hoji aro social media influence itu do that is a very huge topic na khali itu social media influence la pore kota koi goi na aro bisi diri jao boro itu kan bisi problem ase aro sabse damor idea to society de taka do fear of failure mokan bhoi khai mokan kiba kam guri na pari jele do failure na itu bisi bhoi khai mokan holbi mo itu la hisab de mo so manu ke jani di umon jado tu laga itu exam de tu marks ba yes it is very important marks ba this is your foundation ba laje hoy will be that is not all tu laga value as a person itu bisi important ase itu jano lage and what you need to do is you need to trust the process itu process tu ki ase to work hard kam kuribi tu kon officer ke jana lo pawe so manu aram pa paise nya no so manu they spend their time studying na hard work krise duk paina puri je. So mano take pra mondi na puri na ulakan tayo and you need to stay honest to yourself because ita ekta niya kipa pese success achieved through integrity will last longer. Mokan cheat puri na success to jibe do ito to joki khotom hoi jabo but whatever success you earn through your hard work tu mondi na kam krise tu laka mondi na tik pra kam kuri na success jibe do uto to bishi diri last hobo itu jano lage. Itu lawa pore itu bi ko muje your background does not decide your future, your mindset does. Kumba kan to muge so pare hoy mula baba kan to nika damor mano ase amne kan nika bi khego pare ta laga baba damor ase ta lama damor mano ase itu karne ta la bacha nika that yes your family matters but your mindset is the most thing which will matter kilu le do moi jane ase mula sati kan kumba kan ase ta la baba kan alop pakala hoi gina nyabi ase talama na thaka baba na thaka but still tamni success hoina officer ekta damor hoina sati kan ninga bishi asdo to if they can why not us na tu kiman tu laga dukia ase to kane na paru ini kan hoy mindset to your mindset should be strong hoy you have to give in extra effort obviously do will it be still you can do it your mindset is very important itu jani du muje itu laga opori jai moi next point jawla do inspire your own mind. Itu inspire your own mind. Inspiration tu bukan anak manu kan rabi lo bare. Itia moi kui na kumba manu ho bare na ho bare. Kumba bukan idol kan dage na nijur laga. Kumba officers kan dage tangge sene inspire hoye. Will be the main thing which is very important is inspiration from inside. Nijur laga bitor ba inspire ba. Itu सबसे important ase. Tu nijur bitor ba inspire na jule manu kiman koi lebi motivation kiman dilebi itia motivate ho hoina jana kumba to puro bare. एक घंटा 2 घंटा बोले भी तो ना जाओ बोले भी तो ला मन भीतर का मैं इतु कुरोले मुझे आसे you ask yourself तो निजे के होती भी what kind of person I want to become दावा ना कि ना मानो हो मुझे मानो के सर्फ हो मुझे मानो के बाल से मानो पर तो के हाई रिकॉर्ड दो मुझे ना तो मानो लगा भीतर के हो मुझे तो निजे बाल से भीतर का इंस्पायर होना इतु जानो लगे और इतु के ना होइना इतु knowledge तो Bukan itu tuan jana kureze. Kali degree ekla loss na itu knowledge lena tu kiba काम kureze. Itu भी जाने दो मुझे. इधे के लिए तो इधे भी लिखना है. A focused and inspired mind can overcome fear, failure, and doubt. Tu laga mind inspired or focused. If you are focused, tu laga mind thick focus se. Boleh tu tu laga boy berarti overcome guru baru. Tu la failure kan. Bukan so manu doubt lagi. Moi भी doubt lagi je. Exam puri dande. Sometimes so pari jauh ni ke. Boleh sometimes so kiman puri lebih naparo nisna. Ini kan doubt भी bisa aja. Boleh भी it shouldn't stop you. Itu jangan lagi. And you need to know that failure is not the end. Itu failure tu ekbar failure sih itu kan huisi ini kan loh. Boleh this failure. This is a lesson. Bukan class ni chapter 1, chapter 2 lesson lagi. Itu nisna je itu failure bi. So let it be a lesson. Let it be a stepping stone to your success. Itu lagu pada moi next point di jauh menjadi learning beyond books. Be a valued person. Itu bisi important aja itu. Aji kali bukan so mano ini pula tanda itu class 10 pass itu kan bisi komdi lagi. Aji kali kan ini normal graduate lagi mano bisi aja. Thousands and thousands of graduates are there. Exam दियो ले तो 10-20,000 मानो है ना NPC exam दिए थे. मानो तो बिशी हो जाए. बोले भी degree भी बिशी हो जाए. बोले इतु degree तो सब ना होए. What you need to have is true learning की है क्या है बोले तो discipline to work hard. तो आगे discipline थाकी इतु थाकी बोले लगे. That is your true learning. तो इतु बड़ा की learn बोल लगे. And courage to stand for what is right. Itu bisi important है. Kilo ले Martin Luther King Jr. ba kado the ultimate tragedy is not the oppression and cruelty by the bad people, but the silence over death by the good people. Mano galdi काम करे से होली भी तो itu galdi काम करे से ना कोई ना तो चुपचाप बुआ. Malo you know that it is wrong, but still you are keeping silent. That is the biggest tragedy ko na ito. Martin Luther King Jr. ba ko siya. Aro ito laga point din mo ko mo jado humility to accept mistake. Mukha na jikali galdi kam gurili do kumba do galdi bi ase nya bi namane. Jani na galdi gurili bi galdi namane. Na jani na galdi uje tu jani ase uli bi namane. Uli bi ito humility to accept mistake. This is one of the big character which we need to have. So manu as an adult no as a student. So manu tu galdi aja boleh tu galdi aja boleh manu boleh. Itu bisi dangor kam aja. Aro ide akide moi degree la kuala do itulah saya jadi itu knowledge makes you skilled but value makes you strong. Tu itu value moi ita ki bisa itu value thagi sih itu. It will make you a strong person. It will make you a good leader. Ekta bad leader ho professional ekla de na hoye bole bhi tu laga nijo character de hoye it will make you a very good person and the society needs a good citizen right now. Itu lagu pode next point di jawab menjado be a change maker today. Be a change maker today. Apni kala theme de bhi likhina je igniting change. Itu change kwado tu a doctor hoina engineer hoina officer hoina change pro itu kwan hoy changes to so manu every time huni dayo hole bi changes to ek rati pa to hole na paro ki koile bi kun ki koile bi ek rati pa to kurule na paro itu change to kitia ho bole do when you have the right attitude nijor la bitore ekta right attitude thakise aro if you are honest with yourself itu and if you students kangane bhaja if you respect your teachers to la teachers kangane respect hoise to la parents kangane respect kuri ase and when you are helping your struggling friends itu kan bishi important ase and you need to choose effort over excuses itu effort over excuses मतलब तो मुगान आजिकली मनु के मदद करो पारे पहले में मदद ना करी के ना excuse दे so we need to choose effort पारे में ना पारे में मैं कितना मदद करो पारे itu करो ले so please choose effort over excuses किले बोले तो मुगान छोटो actions small actions whatever we do continuously itu पूरी दे जिले तो it will make a very powerful it will create a powerful change so manu ke nijor ke bhi hobi society ke bhi hobi itu change to sob ayo aro itu fifth point student ka ke ko mo jado use your potential wisely so manu ke age de gwan isna iso ba ekta blessing to sob ke dina je everybody is created uniquely itu jano lage aro itu bishi important je mokan ajikali manu ke saina bishi compare kore ekjon ke sao compare kore talamar bishi baije tai ni ka solution do ini ka bishi compare kore bolibi what you need to do is instead of comparing manu ke compare kora to nijor ke compare kore na nijor ke just challenge yourself improve yourself daily mokan ajikali bacha game kan khile na PUBG hui ki game kan khile tade what we do is we level up game khili na ki pai na level up kore itu nisna with yourself every day kiba to level korbi so that you become a good person itu bishi important ase and you need to stay curious bacha ase curious thago lage you need to be curious about learning stuff itu very important after that you need to stay disciplined and stay positive ite jano lage you have to remember success without purpose is empty let your success be meaningful tu misam si iku purpose na thagina iku tilaga end goal na thagina ine misam si puri na jaje nyabla idu be meaningful will you do puriya do idu ekta kam ulawle you need to have that purpose damoi na inya homo je inya hoile to thik hobo ekta purpose thagina kam kuri bole do that is how you can enjoy your success aro ide last point face challenges with courage amegala life de so manu ke test kore dangor hobi chutu hobi bacha hobi so manu ke test kore pressure lage we have pressure confusion moments of doubts to bishi lage aro itu challenges kan to moang ke stop kurule no way you need to know that these challenges are not there to stop you these challenges are meant to strengthen you iso babi ekta bible verse te exact nazne bible verse te likhina ase to kiman tak you be tempted as much as you can overcome that isor be is extra tem na ko tai to get thick diwo where you can become stronger through that inigale to itu nisna mokan ki temptation aibe ki problem aibe ki aibe you need to know that you can overcome that god knows that you can overcome that itu karone mokan itu la opore give up na kurigina itu all say challenges can face go again so let us stay focused we have to stay positive and we have to trust the process itu process to for students bishi important as that is work hard be honest to yourself itu duita point dem aro aji the parents kame bishi anai je boy parents kame bi bole bishi mon jai itu that you are the foundation one ghor bananande foundation strong na thagi je opor ki man dangor hoibe ki man takat hoibe gas nisna kan kiman dangor hoibe tala root to tik takat na hoise bile hawa marile giri jaye itu nisna ghor kan be foundation tik takat na thagi bile to man sing hoye jaye nale ghor kan damage ki hoye jaye biya hoye jaye itu nisna parents kan itu foundation ase itu tui laka role itu ini ka institution kan dangor manu kan big way your role in your child's life cannot be replaced by institution dangor institution hobi dangor ki hobi church kan hobi school kan hobi they cannot replace you parents ke itu kan komai replace korna bro you are very unique to your children itu jano lage what you can do is you provide emotional strength, moral guidance, spiritual grounding, emotional strength itu kan bishi important ase takan parents students kan duk padan de apni kan tuila bacha kan duk padan de apni kan tang emotional strength kan grow pare age de mala PSU president ravi itu la kuise parents kan laga role la itu laga same ase itu laga parents la role de kodo ekta go monje moi pula exam dia kan de moi laga room ase moi laga next room de moi laga ama baba la room ase tade morning de moi uthi je gole do ama do ta laga room de mo so bacha karne pradna kuri di dege sometimes so kanting bi pradna kuri di dege to utu huni ge na moi la mon de bi chui de aro moi bi pura kan de uri bi o moi la kam kura de itu bhabi ge na tik bishi urges lage na learning bangse puro le nya to itu nisna moi parents kan ge ko le mon jado tu laga action your words your actions your prayers itu to tu la bacha lo de lifelong impression lagibo itu kana to bishi important ase kilo le to bible verse te bi likhina ase Proverbs chapter 22 verse 6 there. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Tu laga bacha ke tik ini ka hekawi kita bura hoilibi. Itu tu ki hekai se itu pura nahatiwo. Itu Bible debi likhina ase. Encourage your children. Bangse encourage koribi. Then tangi bi hunibi. Boy one day mukan Dangor isi beli tu mungkin dia ekor baca lagi se nyabi hoje. Boleh bi tu lah baca kan ki kuasa itu bi huni dibi. Because from what I see, mungkin itu tu generational gap bi hoje. Pula tu dekinya hoje aja kali. Yes, values thagi boleh lagi. Pula laga values. Boleh there are many things which have changed. Mungkin sok manu jane se digital era hoje. Bisi ki change hoje. To itu baca kan ki bi huni dibi. And guide them patiently. Gusa tahan ki boleh tu gusa utina mukan gusa utina nyawa jadi tu malah parents aro baca laga relationship break hoje to parents kan moron bra students kan ki kuasa talab tu lah baca ki kuasa tapi moron bra kuni dibi and remind them failure is not the end, it is a lesson. Mukan failure hoje tu ektam tu naparu ni kan nahui kina mukan ikut nahui I'm there for you itu laga hisap de strengthen them emotionally. This is very important. Kilo le to mukami inya pura tande ek par digina ulanai to ama baba pra ati to naparu inya bole to how do you expect a child na dijel laga bacha kini ka how do you expect them to success kini apa nya bole to itu karne moron bra itu jani do monje mukan iman inya kuase uribe mukan puchuri context itu puchuri konteks tapi alok ko boleh monjai puchuri de mukan pula 2000 tak azai mukan 4% kota lagi sih aji kali ulibi after 2010 na gimana azai mukan only 2% aja but itu babi kena mukan monduk na hobi itu lado moi bishi nago because even me I don't know exactly what happened 4% 2% kinya hoje lado kiki hoje lado moi chamala kan do so I don't have the capacity to say what happened. Maybe itu 2% aja, but let us not, 2% aja kiyo. Let us not care about the 2%. Why do we need 2%? Are aji agde ay kina topper, whole Nagaland de topper mares na. Ekta posible niya man top mares eh. So mukhambi pares no. To why we cannot be in general category? We can do it. Itu kan itu 2% aja na babibi. Because moi laga sati ekta ase tai DSP hoje last 2 years back tai moge kwado Delhi de jana puri coaching lodam de tai nya hoje UPSC dia ase to UPSC dia de tai do ST quota ase na babe hoje because when you think you have ST quota you belittle yourself to nije ke line hoje tu puro ulbe amulo de ST quota ase itu nisna mo kame NPC dia de mukan kali general quota ase babi kena Mondi kena puriwe, because 2% itu kita manu ke accommodate purule paruwa. Let us compete with our Naga brothers, na. Otai mo ala puchuri bitode hi, otai juji lagi le do, wila isap le do mukando itu do, we are going down and down. So we need to work hard. Itu bishi important aja. And moi kimi sa go libe first moi JE pa, aro ite lecture pa do. difference bishi ase when you get with general kota tu la feeling bi ekta alag bhal lage tu naka manu lode bi jai kena inya compete kuro para do manu bi tu ke respect bi thage itu karone morom bra students kange bi gwaje khali 2% ase itu karone hoi jabo inika na lui gina general kota de focus kuri gina balje puri diu monje aro itu laga opore moi graduate nahwa kange bi itu ko monje you start preparing before your graduate of business start kuri shikle to kimisa ko aji kale to it becomes late kilo kile aji kale bishi bacha khani aji kale to ula start hoje exam npc kan dibi to ami sok manu jane je social media use kuri dagibo to itu kane when you let's say when you're in your second year third year start preparing itu bishi important ase moi itu bishi monduk lage to moi la sati chaka sang kan bi ase kumba kan ase tahan kinya kore guri to pratna bi kurbo kagas bi kurbo fasting bi lobo balse kurbo boli moga naka man puchuri manu ke sai je jule to church te bi fasting loina kures na kinya ase mo exact na jine boli bi manu kan do iniga ase manu kan do iniga guri ke na balse kures mon digena isor ke bi pura mon digena balse mangi ase itula pure aina pura bi balse kures ase so when they are doing both the things mokan ikun na kuri ke na I don't think we can be rewarded mokan do kam na kuri ke kinya reward pabo na itu karena morom bra mokan kun hoile tu kan age de moi boys na mula sati kan bi aina je tangi bi biside bi interact bi kuro paro students kan will be if there is no hard work nijo kam na kuri she will do the reward to misha to ajigili na pabo itu to frankly speaking bishi moi false bi na ko ajigile bishi competition bishi high hoje aro itu laga pore moi gole mon jado student thaga tak to mon ekta bottle bitore thaga isna ase bottle bitore holibi tu kam paise gilo to it's very refreshing I'm telling the truth kam pa bise bishi mon aram bai yes parents kan hoigina moi be I'll be worried about my sons and daughters ki bo pare my ki bacha inika they are different worries so on ke worry thige holibi trust me tu job pa bise you feel so good mudza ase bishi aram ase you feel your heart lightens kilule moi be first student lagise exam di lagise itu karone morom bra I want to welcome each and every one of you graduate hoigina kam baigina one ikilode itu society puchur manu ke mon ikilode fill up kurule I want to welcome each and every one of you so please study hard work hard be honest with yourself itu kuidu munje aro itu lago pore ajuli coaching classes bi dia je apni kan janu na nai bolibi itu bi moi alop kuidu mon jado I think this is fourth time hone ki this time every year 10 manuge coaching karne encourage kuri dege apni kan jani lego itu coaching class to fully funded by mukala mele darbar fund gurina je 10 students je tade morom bra again if you want coaching low le mun jay gule do itu aro advertise to kurule je to takan itu to mishamji na hoina this time to exam di gina best of kuchuri manuge encourage kurule dosho manuge hodai coaching every year lo le di ge to please take the opportunity manugan aigena last time bi aina sadu takan 10 ta seat de khali 20 manu bi puncha nai ni ge aigena entrance di je itu saigena mon bi duk pai itu saigena misana go lebi mola baba kan we itu saigena aya next year na di jawo nyaki bhabi je na kilule mo kami sabina manu ase to manu student bra itu lole mun thaga nisna 10 ta seat de khali 20 manu bra aina entrance di je to itu do manu be bishi disheartened ho jaye itu karone morom bra inya opportunity pa dande free coaching ase everything is fully funded so inya opportunity kan morom bra lui dibi bi khotabe bishi dangor bi koisibo lebi morom bra age de koanis na moi go sainik bra ase army school ase bishi rough and tough broda ase itu karone apnian kuni kena alop nijo norm kuri dibi moi edu conclusion de age de koi daga bisna conclusion de edu students nange kohuli munje when your mind is inspired with the right thought and values, change naturally follows. Tila dimak de, tila ka mindset to, if it is inspired, to focus ase, pwede do right thoughts and values tila dimak de ase, pwede do naturally changes tayo. Ito jani do mo jay. So be a student who thinks deeply, think para bhabibi, acts responsibly, and dream boldly. Ito dreams to very important. Khali ghumai na sapna pawo ito no, but dream boldly and work hard according to it. To dangor dream kuri shikle to dangor kam kuro lego. To chudo dream kuri shikle to chudo kam kuro lego. To ito mane dream boldly and work hard according to your dream. And let your learning not only shape your career but also shape your character. Character is important as ito janwa lagi. Aro ito so pandugi jani do mo jado. When student rises with a purpose, society rises with them. Ito karne morongbra parents kan jebi ko as students kan naga welfare do bishi important as to takan naga tangna welfare bhal hoise. If their welfare, if they rise with a purpose, sob student ge ekta purpose digina uthaise bili do tilo society bi uthibo. Ito karne aji let us all commit ourselves today. Sob student karne as ito commit kuru mon jado to inspire mind with knowledge and wisdom. Nijir laga dimak to aji. Nijir laga dimak inspire with your knowledge and values for inspire ko munjay. And to ignite change through values and services. Tu laga values kan thakina, tu la service pa itu society change ko le itu jani to munjay. Aro ide parents kan, elders kan aina je itu karne bi koi do itu karne bi moi ekta tonge bi commit kuri diu munjado. To guide our students towards a future filled with hope and purpose. Itu mga students kan iman ase tange tala future kane bhabi digina with purpose hope ekta hope digina itu uthai dole mon jai tange. Aro itu point de nowe olebi satini kan apni kan boy najne holibe ajikali boyfriend girlfriend nyami bishi thage. It's not bad biya hwa banai holibe moi id gwati de pura plane manuan kini means mainland manu kini ga ase holi do boyfriend girlfriend ase holibe takhando library de bijena ekjon ke push kuna pure do itu nisna khali ide aina khali moromba kwaje students kan tui mota thagi se boyfriend thagi se girlfriend thagi se nya holibe use it for a good cause na iki logo ekjon ke push kuri na future karne for your future baze push kuri na ekjon ke encourage kuri na iki logo de bole la isap te pra baze ekjon ke encourage na pura likha hui kam pura hui ki hui ekjon ke encourage kuri na build up yourself, build each other. This is very important. Itu points na khali boyfriend girlfriend ito no hoi satin la majude friend circle ase goina khali galdi kam gurule sati na hoina bhal kam gurule ekjon ke encourage kuri gina cho sati bhai apni bhi purbi moi bhi purbo aro iki lode kam kuri gina iki lode itu society uthao iniga ekta bhabi diu mon jai aro age de points na bishi dangor khata bhi koise ho moi de man dangor bandu bhi noe olibe bishi dangor khata koise le to maaf kurbi aro kumba ekta duta points bhi apni la inspire bro pari sible do morom ba use it utilize it for your good aro to the society karne. And I once again thank the Apoksa Student Union for giving me this opportunity and I pray moi la pratna de thagibo ki all students we elders we parents kan we I'll always pray for you all aro apni kan bhi ekjon karne nijor laga bacha nijor la ama baba dada bhai elders kan village elders kan kiman ase ekjon karne pratna kuri thakibi so that we can build a better future together. I once again thank and wish the very best future for Apoksa Student Union. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for such a thoughtful and inspiring message. Your words reflect not only wisdom and experience, but also a deep sense of compassion and responsibility towards society. May your life and work continue to inspire us to work with integrity, serve with humility, and contribute meaningful where
아쿠위 안유위 당대 hinga hekun kakhe heza tengshuwa thanowi kenga baga nyingna tengsenga ya wala hiu khini hi kakhe deba Jesu Krista ata su shibanya da ipa johamala la akyangwi amnyawi tugodjana kyanai amen.
Presence and cooperation, all delegates and invitees are kindly requested to proceed to lunch.
Our special invitees to Athiali Namo, Bazum Chabana, Ayom Abonjong with Hail.
Oh my God.